Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix camera not working problem on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Now to fix this issue, just open settings, then tap on apps. Now from this app list, just open the camera app. From here, just go to storage and tap on clear data and select delete. After that, just go back and tap on permissions. And from here, just give the camera app all the necessary permissions, like the permission to the camera, to the microphone, and to the photos and videos. After that, just go back. And in the apps section, just tap on the three dots at the upper right corner on the display and select Reset App Preferences. Then tap on Reset. After that, just go to your home screen, then restart your smartphone. For that, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Then tap on the power icon over here and select Restart. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then the last thing you can do is just go to your home screen and open the control center on your Samsung phone. And from here, just check if there is an option of sensors off. If the sensors off option is enabled, just disable it from here. And once you do that, you will fix the camera not working problem on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is how you can fix the camera not working problem on the Samsung Galaxy A07. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.